Hey guys, so I just got back from USPS, you know we stand, but I tried doing it on my own on those self-service things because I remember one of the employees told me that they're like, you know that you can do it on your own, right? And I was like, oh yeah, you're right, but like I kind of don't trust myself. That was my risk for the day, and you know sometimes it's okay to make mistakes. I feel like I don't make mistakes and it's just weird. I'm a little scared, but I hope it arrives safely to my customers. But yeah, I'll get you updated with the rest of my day. Hi guys, outfit change, makeup touch up. You like it? Anyways, so I was just researching lighting for my room because I have this really old ass lamp and it's dusty and it's triggering my sinuses and my allergies. And first of all, it's yellow already and it just doesn't beam as light and as far as I want to in the room. I'm pretty sure I have to put it on my bedstand instead, but yeah, I was doing that, so I'll probably go to IKEA in a few hours. And then what else did I do? Oh, I was researching a battery for my laptop because its battery life is literally deteriorating. So it says, I don't know if you can see, it says replace soon. And then I have to edit a cover, or 2 covers, whatever I'm in the mood for. So don't wait outside my hotel room. Just wait till I give you a sign. 'Cause I get lonesome sometimes. Welcome to my IKEA haul. First thing I got was a trash can. It's in hollow bar, and I put a blue sticker. I kind of assembled it, and it took way longer than it should have. I was kind of screaming because I thought I was dumb, but now I have a proper trash can instead of just paper bags. Next item on the list, I got a storage box, and I opted for this one and not the clear one because the clear ones were missing lids, and I was quite sad because this was way more expensive than the plain clear ones, and I could have gotten 2 instead of just 1, but that is fine. Then I got a lamp. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you the ending product, but this is what it looks like. It's just simple. I'm not too particular about it. And then I got LEDs. It's like 60 watts and 120 volts. So that's my haul. Alright guys, so IKEA instructions always confuse me, so I just watched the YouTube video. But I kind of really like the fact that there's like a stringy thing instead of my old one where I have to like move my hand around like this to find the switch. Alrighty guys, here's the finished product. Yay! Your voice still feels so familiar, though some of the furniture is new. Maybe I'm not love anymore. Maybe you remind me of it. Hi guys, I'm making salad. I just copied my brother because he mocked my voice. And these are just mixed greens that my grandma prepared, plus cheese and chicken. And then I'm gonna add my Trader Joe's
crumbled feta cheese, because I love feta cheese. I want it to be crumbler.